Shopping time. First, make sure to shop only at stores that display the tax-free or eTRS logo. To be eligible for the refund, you must spend at least 100 Singapore dollars in a single day from the same store. Always keep your original receipt and your passport safe. Departure area of the airport. Check in your luggage and collect your boarding pass. Then proceed directly to immigration. Once you pass immigration, you will see sign pointing GST refund area. Follow those signs and you will find the eTRS self-help machine. To claim your GST refund, simply scan your passport at the eTRS machine. Follow the steps shown in this video. And make sure to select the cash refund option. After completing the process, the machine will print a claim slip. Next, take that slip along with your passport and original purchase receipt to the nearby GST refund counter. In some cases, the officer may ask to see the physical item you purchased. If everything is in order, the cashier will give your GST refund in full cash. One more important point, if the items you purchase are packed in your check-in luggage, you must claim the GST before check-in. There is another GST refund counter outside the check-in area where you can complete the same process. But if your items are with you in your hand carry luggage, you can follow the steps inside the terminal as shown in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more useful guides like this one.